Hey guys, welcome back. This is Sanjay Kumar and today we're going to learn how to track changes in Excel 2013. Here I have opened a new workbook, and to apply track changes we have to make sure that we save this document first. So I'm going to save it. I named it as a training and save. Okay, so apply track changes in this workbook. We have to go and click on the review tab, and here is a change section where we can find track changes, and here is the highlight changes. So here is the checkbox for tracking changes while sharing this workbook. How the sharing works we will learn in the next video, but for this demo I'm going to enable the track changes here and sharing, and here we will see some options that privilege author to track changes. So here in this section it gives these three options. The first option is when the changes need to be tracked. So there are some four options here. Since I last saved all the changes, not yet reviewed, and since last date. So you can choose any one of these based on your requirement. For this demo I'm going to select all changes, that all changes need to be tracked into that. And second option is whose change need to be tracked. So it would be either everyone or everyone except the author himself, because he don't want to review his own changes. So you can select any one of these options. For this demo I select everyone. And here's the third option where you can specify either the entire workbook to be tracked or for a specific cell. For a specific cell you have to enable this option and select the area where you want to review the changes. So I want to track entire sheet, so I'm gonna uncheck it and click OK. The moment you will click OK, the Excel will ask to save this workbook to continue. So I'm gonna click OK, and this workbook is saved now. So we will check that how the track changes will work now. I'm gonna make some changes in the blank cells. So I made some changes on the cells, and you would see there are once you hover on these cells you would see that who made changes, what date and time, and what were the original value on that cell. So you would see the cell B2 was blank, but it was converted to 1. So you can see the changes, that who made those changes, when the changes were made, and what was the value before making those changes. So the author can review these changes later as well. So for that, author need to go back in track changes, and here is the accept and reject option. You can click on it. This will again ask to save this document. I have saved it. Not yet reviewed. I want to review all those changes which were not reviewed yet. Okay. So here would see that changed cell B2 from blank to 1. So you can review these all changes and either can accept or reject it. So I'm gonna accept it for a B2 cell. You would see the highlighter is moved to a second cell, that is a C2, and this was a blank as well, and I gave it a value of 2. So either I can reject it or accept it. It's on me. So I'm gonna reject it. So you would see it vanished. So this is how you can track changes and review all the changes that were made by other users. I hope this demo was informative for you. So in next video we will learn about how to share workbook, and please don't forget to subscribe it on YouTube so you can get update on new modules and videos that I will be adding later in this course. So thank you for watching it. We will meet again.